Another key thing that we got to be focusing on right now, in addition to working and developing our skills, is working on our brand. This is, I think, the time, to really kind of stand out from the crowd, become more involved in a community, in your neighborhood, participate in your neighborhood discussions, be a voice of calm and reason. This is the time to be involved with the first responders, the charities, churches. And again, it doesn't have to be done all in person. It can be done all virtual, but that's something that you definitely want to be a part of, especially in your neighborhood. Let your neighbors know that you're there to help them, to assist them with anything that they need. Do more videos with positive messaging, like client stories, listings under contract, success stories, families. Honestly speaking, people, I think, are sick and tired of all the negativity that is out there. They want to see something positive. And you be the person who, provides them with some positivity, positive content, right? And positive messages. Try to get as many friends as possible on Facebook. The goal is to get you to 5,000. And also, when you're doing social media or anything in marketing, but especially in social media, you got to understand that 95% of the public is not in a market to buy or sell real estate today or now, right? So don't get discouraged, don't get disappointed if you're not getting a lot of likes, or more importantly, if you're not getting any inquiries to sell a house or buy a house. That's okay, because again, most of the people are not really in a market to do so at this point. But your job is really to promote yourself, to brand yourself, and to continue making deposits. So when the time comes, when that day comes, they're going to reach out to you, whether it's a year from now or 2 years from now, it doesn't matter. But as long as you're staying active and you bring value, right, and being yourself and being genuine, people will not forget that. And eventually they will reach out to you. They will contact you. Another thing that I shared with my team in the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks or so, is how to effectively run our business virtually. I want to share with you guys some of the platforms that we use, and I'm sure you're familiar with a lot of them. We use, for all of our meetings, we use Google Hangouts. It's free if you have a Google business account. I'm not sure, maybe even personal account. I don't know if they offer that as well. You can share your screen. You can, one thing about them is, though, you cannot really record any sessions. Zoom is another online tool that we use. You can have up to 100 participants, easy to use. You can share your screen, change backgrounds, and then, with $15 as an upgrade, you can start recording as well your conversations. FaceTime, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, all of those tools that you guys have at your disposal. And here's another one that I learned about and started using recently. It's called Loom. It's free recording and screens. You record the screen and the videos, and that's kind of cool because, let's say you have a conversation with the seller, and that seller is asking you to do a CMA for him or her, and they don't want to meet with you in person. You can do a quick recording of your screen, how you're doing a CMA, maybe using an RPR, and then send them that link using Loom. So it's free of charge, and that's something that our team is using as well.